Hey everybody, this is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and today we're going to learn how to take a user from Paylocity that is terminated and lock their account in Azure Active Directory. So this will help with some automation. Typically the process would go in a manual process is your HR person or manager would have to submit a request to HR. They'd have to go manually lock them out in Paylocity or terminate them, and then that request would then go to IT manually a lot of times, and then it would lock them in Azure and deactivate all their accounts. We're going to automate that because it should be automated, and you could add in approvals along the way, any sorts of things that you'd want to do there. You could build this in Logic apps as well. We're doing it in Power Automate to make it real simple and easy to follow along. So we'll look at a diagram, and then we'll look at the documentation, and then we'll go into the practical side of things. So follow along and let me know what you think. This is the basic diagram of what you're going to see. We're going to terminate the employee in Paylocity. It's going to fire a webhook. It's going to go through Power Automate, and in the Azure Active Directory connector, it'll deactivate the user. Very simple, straightforward. Let's go do it. Jumping over to the documentation for the webhooks, you can find that by Googling it or looking in the description below to find the URL that leads to this webhook. You have your basic fields in Paylocity, company ID, and cost centers.